One of our favorite Japanese dishes is Chawanmushi, an egg custard eaten as a meal instead of a dessert. Chawanmushi means steamed in a tea bowl. Instead of sweet ingredients, Chawanmushi contains a savory mixture of soy sauce, dashi, or soup stock, and mirin, with shiitake mushrooms, ginkgo, boiled shrimp, kamaboko or fish cake, as well as other varieties. You can even use various other ingredients of your choice, provided the basics are included. So, let's make our own chawanmushi. Here are the ingredients and what we need. 3 eggs, 240 ml soup stock, 2 to 3 chicken drumsticks, or any meat of your choice, shiitake mushroom, fish cake or kamaboko, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, otherwise known as sweetener, 2 tablespoons of tsuyu or fish sauce, an alternative for the dashi or the soup stock, 1 teaspoon of sugar, small amount of salt, a steamer, tea filter. You may also use a clean, thin cloth. Here's how to prepare the chawanmushi. Boil the chicken on 500 ml water. On a bowl, beat the eggs until refined. Then, add the soy sauce, mirin and tsuyu, sugar and sprinkle small amount of salt. Beat again to mix well. When the chicken is cooked, put aside the chicken. Get 240 ml from the chicken soup stock and add it on the egg mixture, mixed well. Slice the shiitake mushrooms and the fish cake. Shred 1 chicken drumstick and remove the bone. Put water on the steamer and preheat it for 5 minutes. On small tea bowls, put the shiitake, fish cake, and shredded chicken, as well as other ingredients you'd like. Using the tea filter, sieve the egg mixture in another bowl. Scoop the refined egg mixture on 4 tea bowls evenly. Place the tea bowls with the mixture in the steamer and steam on low fire for 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, make sure to check from time to time so as not to overcook the mixture. And when you see the chawanmushi like this, it's already cooked. Serve it hot, eat it hot, but not to a point of burning your tongue. This is just one of the very few authentic Japanese dishes that's eaten with a spoon. And this is just among the many Japanese dishes that has never disappointed us.
From Tokyo, Japan, this is Dennis Lu.
And this is Tyra'nell Lu.
We
live in interesting times.
We hope you enjoyed that video. If you found it valuable, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel. If you're on Instagram, please follow us at EBC Digital Nest. If you're on Facebook, please pay our page a visit and like it. Here at Digital Nest, we continue to make healthy connections with those who desire to grow and with those who aspire to be inspired. We'll see you next time.